Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Sites and creating a new site. Sign in if needed. Choose a template or a blank canvas, depending on speed versus control. Set the site title now and pick a navigation layout so pages appear where you expect. Upload a logo and a hero image sized about 1,200 by 600 pixels and plan 3 main pages to build first. Once done, make sure to save frequently. These first steps keep your structure simple and editable as you proceed. Now you construct each page. Add home, about, contact, and nest any subpages under parent pages for drop-down menus. Use sections to split content and add columns for side-by-side elements. This controls flow and mobile stacking. Insert text boxes, buttons for CTAs, and image carousels to showcase visuals. Embed Drive documents or a Google form to collect responses, and include a map or calendar if relevant. Make sure to preview on mobile. Layout shifts often happen there, and you want readable text. Finish by reviewing every page and using Preview to check desktop, tablet, and phone. Set your site address. Use the built-in URL or connect a custom domain. Verify sharing and publish permissions before you go live. Add SEO-friendly page titles and a concise meta description so people find you. Once published, test links and forms. If something fails, clear browser cache, confirm file permissions in Drive, and recheck embedded links. These 3 fixes resolve most issues and get your site back online quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.